Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to change Ford Fiesta key fob. Start by locating the seam on the fob and use a flat tool to gently pry it open at the seam. Remove the old CR2032 battery and note its orientation so you can install the new one the same way. Press the buttons to confirm function before snapping the halves back together and testing the remote range and door locks. Begin by removing the emergency key and set it aside safely. Insert a flat screwdriver into the seam and twist gently to separate the two halves, avoiding excessive force. Once open, carefully lift out the battery retaining clip and note the spring placement if present. Replace the battery with a CR2032, ensuring the plus side matches the original orientation. Test the buttons while the case is still loose to confirm proper contact before closing. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum is great for keeping your garage and work area tidy while you tinker, with voice control and smart mapping that saves time. It handles crumbs and dust after key fob repairs so you can focus on the job. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. After installing the new battery, press each button to verify responses while the case is partially closed, making adjustments if a contact is missed. If the fob still does not function, inspect for corrosion or bent contacts and clean gently with isopropyl alcohol. When cleaning and battery swaps fail, reprogramming may be required, and a locksmith or dealer can assist with programming and diagnostic checks. Finish by fully snapping the case back together and testing remote range.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.